Life on Upwork isn't all sunshine and roses. Sometimes you have a dry spell. Here's what I do when things aren't working and clients just aren't responding to my proposals. The first thing that I do is I try and look inward and be honest with myself. I'm the only person that is responsible for my own success, so I only get out what I put in. And most of the time, it means that I need to be more consistent with applying to jobs and just staying on top of responding to clients. I've probably dropped the ball and I probably haven't put in as much work as I should have done. So the first thing that I do is I jump back on Upwork and just start applying to jobs as fast as I can. I'm not just sending out any old proposals though. I'm making sure that every time that I send out a proposal, it's going to be really well received by the client, tailored to what it is that they need, and it's going to be very tightly matched to that job. Another thing that I do is I go back and improve my profile. One of the traps that a lot of freelancers fall into is they set it and forget it. They create a profile that they think is absolutely perfect and it's going to work forever. And guess what? It doesn't. It doesn't work for me, and it's definitely not going to work for anybody else to just leave something there as is forever. What you have to do is always be improving. Always go back and try and get at least 5% better every single time you edit. And if things just aren't working the way that you want them to, well, change something. Try something new. I'm always going back and checking on what can I do? How can I improve this? I'm not just improving my profile though. I'm also trying to upskill myself, because it's not just about improving your profile though. You also have to be improving your skill set. I have read so many articles, I have read so many books, I have taken so many courses across the years I've been on Upwork, and every single time I'm always improving myself, which then in the eyes of clients, if I'm a higher skilled person, I'm gonna get hired more. So upskilling, hugely important. And if you have a down period where people just aren't hiring you, then try improving your skill set and watch what happens.